no intro, raw footage. What's up, fam? So headed to the not the shop yet. Headed to my my boys at Headline to pick up my bumper. Got all wrapped. Then I gotta go to the shop and deal with that bullshit. So yeah, be a long day. Here we are. Got that custom JDM rear. Just got it painted, you know, right here. It's that fresh blue. It's clean ass food. Tomei ready. Some wraps going on. Here. Got a Camaro up in here. Getting that Pokemon holographic Charizard. I think I used to. It's pretty dope. This is the same color as that GTR. I don't have to go fucking till it runs. Yeah. Color show's pretty dope and like. This is how you know it's hot in Cali right now. Like, bro, I wasn't even using this for like an hour. We in business. Gonna put this shit on. Low key, this shit's a bitch to kind of put on. Because all these rivets, you have to drill them out of the OEM one, put new rivets, you have to modify the license plate. It's kind of a bitch, but it'll be worth it. It's gonna look sick. So the EVO is actually on pump gas now, because I'm going to Vegas tomorrow, so I had to put it back on pump. It actually drives pretty good for the pump map. The first like 10 miles, it drives kind of shitty, because obviously there's still like 85 in there. But it doesn't drive too bad on the pump. I haven't done any pulls yet. I'm trying to get all the corn out before I do pulls. Hey, yo, pump gas stinks, man. Can't wait to put corn back in this shit. Alright, let's get to it. Get this shit done. So this has to come off. The bolt there, bolts here. Nah, not too bad. Alright. Good. So now there's two right here. Gotta lift it up. Yeah, that. Alright, guys, everything should come off now. This is off. You gotta take the little lights out. That is the sound of success. That means it is not attached to the car no more. Bingo. So yeah, basically you just have to drill out all the rivets. Pretty easy. Alright, got that off. So now I just need to get all the rivets out of it, rivet it on the new bumper, and that's pretty much it. Kind of simple. I'm just gonna roll around like this. Looks kind of cool. Race car, dog. Weight reduction. Is that a tomei, dog? Don't play with tools, guys. Drilling that pussy. It's a pinchy tomei. 5 hours later. Alright, so got all the new rivets in. Fitment's pretty good so far. The only thing that's a bitch is this license plate bracket. I already knew you have to modify it, but this JDM bumper is actually a little bit different than the ones I see online. So yeah, you have to bend these. So I might have to actually put 2 new holes in the bumper, which I don't know what to do, but that's like the only way I'm gonna be able to screw it in. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, we made it. Ooh. Ooh. It's dope. I really like how it shows the tomei more and the tires. That looks sick. Fitment, it's pretty good. This part was really tight right here, so I had to remove the bolt and put a different bolt. Kind of fucked my wrap up right there, but whatever. Could be done, redone. But everything else is pretty solid. Sick ass food. Way better. That shit is ugly. Ugly. Damn, dog. Alright. Time to put the cool lugs. I always put this. I always put these. I need that. Look way better. Alright. We finally finished. Actually, not really. I still want to put my quick release on. So I got better fitment right here on the bumper. And it just makes things easier. But, got the lugs on. Look a lot better. That bumper though. She looks so nice. Way better. Way better. Hell yeah. Well, I left my quick releases at the house. I really don't feel like going back to get them, but I kind of want to put them on right now. So I'm probably going to go slide back to the crib, grab my quick releases so I can put those on. Pretty happy. It looks good. Simple, clean. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a daily. Gotta be fly on the daily too, you know? Oh yeah, I put this too. Since my other one flew off on the freeway. This one's a little bare though, because it actually tucks under the trim, so I don't think that one's gonna fly off. And then tin is missing. I have it. I'm just lazy. I don't really feel like putting it in. I don't listen to the radio anyways. Oh shit. That shit almost killed me. Alright, we in business. Got my quick releases on for the bumper. About to take this shit to the wash. And we are done. I'm beat, guys. Beat. Ah, fuck. Well guys, here she is. All cleaned up, ready for the weekend. God, this looks so sick. Pretty happy. Got everything done. Everything's Gucci. Shit looks good, man. I heard I ruined this car, apparently. Haters will say it's whack, but it's alright. I didn't build it for them. So subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up, comment, definitely be getting some footage out in Vegas for you guys. Fresh Kicks out.